Hey there, Roblox fans. Welcome to our video where we uncover the awesome promo codes for June 2025, bringing you fantastic free items and stylish hair. So what are promo codes? They're special codes that unlock exclusive items in Roblox, letting you enhance your character's look without spending Robux. Let's jump into our list of promo codes you can use in June 2025. Get ready to jot these down for some free gear. Redeeming your codes is super easy. Just head to the promo code section in Roblox, enter your code, hit redeem, and watch the magic happen. Now, let's take a closer look at the fantastic free items and hairstyles you can unlock with these codes. Your avatar will never look better. Wondering where to find future promo codes? Keep an eye on Roblox's social media, fan sites, and community forums for the latest updates. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what other players have to say about their experiences with these awesome promo codes. And that's a wrap on all promo codes for June 2025. Don't forget to try these out and share your favorites with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more Roblox content.